Hey, to win, you gotta save $1,000. Week 1, you got paid. Woo! Some credit cards actually have really good deals when it comes to cashback.
On my tape phone.
My tape.
There you go, girl.
Week 5, you have the opportunity to invest in a new robot that one of your coworkers is designing. You think it's awesome. Do you invest?
Yes.
So you get your car fixed? Yes. All right. So that's gonna cost you $250.
What?
I know batteries are so expensive. That's what I said when my battery died. I was like, what? Now you don't have any money though. You're broke, bro.
I know.
You are biting way more than you can chew, girl. You're only making $1,700 a month, and you're spending $2,200 on rent. But no, it's good. I'm so glad that you're actually making those mistakes, right? Quote unquote mistakes here and not in real life. You can just go to bed and be like, you know what? That was a great lesson. Do you get a puppy? Yes or no?
No.
To be honest, I like your course. I like the way it
thank
was.
you.
I would do this over and over and over and over again for like a year, because you're going to notice how you change in the things that you do, and you're going to have to filter out their money habits in your own head, and going to some place like Isabel will help you go make your own decision about, you know, what to do and what not to do. And if you had to follow someone, I would believe Isabel is a good place to follow for years and years and years and years until you're out on your own.